Stop beating yourself up, okay?
I just wish that it could have been perfect. Today I'm preparing a raspberry chocolate fondant, and I'm pairing it with a raspberry coulis and some honeycomb. The dish will show that I have the technical skills that I think MasterChef needs. I'm feeling confident. My fondant that I'm taking out of the oven, I thought there was still, it stopped ticking. Was it my clock going off? I would have wanted to leave it in for just a minute longer. Let's just hope and pray it comes out. Coulis is done, so yeah.
Isak, welcome.
Hi, yeah.
Isak, where are you from?
I'm from Durban.
And what do you do?
I recently graduated in Stellenbosch. Since then I've been traveling. So I'm taking a break from the traveling and following my dream.
So you came back from your travels to come and enter MasterChef?
Exactly.
Superb. Well, Isak, you've got 5 minutes. What are you preparing for us today?
Today I've prepared a raspberry chocolate fondant, and I made a honeycomb and a vanilla hazelnut teal, and then I also made a hazelnut gelato. I want to make something that shows off a little bit more skill. Let's hope it holds.
Stop beating yourself up, okay?
I just wish that it could have been perfect.
Benny, what do you think?
I like a lot of things that you did on that plate. Yes, your fondant didn't really hold shape, but the taste and the flavors was there. So I'll give you a yes.
Thanks.
I unfortunately don't share Benny's enthusiasm. For me, it's a great plate. You've made all the elements. I think it's fantastic. But if you try something difficult, you've got to get it right. The fondant is the hero. It's a fondant dish. If you don't cook the fondant properly, you've messed up the dish. That's the equivalent of raw lamb or raw chicken. And for me, that's unacceptable. So I'm afraid it's a no.
Isak, you've 1 yes and 1 no. A fondant has got its pressure points, and to get that right in your own kitchen is hard enough. I think you've got a lot of potential, but I think on the day, it didn't go right for you. I'm sorry, but that's a no from me. Thank you very much. Don't give up trying.
With the pressure to produce an exceptional dish in only 45 minutes and their dreams at stake, these amateur cooks can't afford to make any mistakes.
I'm afraid that's 2 no's.
Spiced cashew nut crusted king clip with a mango and coconut cream curry sauce.
There's one evident ingredient that's missing throughout all those elements on that plate, and that's a lack of seasoning. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to give you a no for that.
Gershwin, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm currently working in the distribution industry, but I love cooking. I've got a true passion for it. I would love to do it for the rest of my life. I would love to wake up every morning and start cooking and go sleep, and it's the last thing I did. And it's the only thing that drives me.
And your dish, what have you prepared for us?
Well, I've prepared a beef fillet. I made a cranberry and red wine sauce. And then I've got a side salad, which is watercress with the vinaigrette. And then I've also got a butternut puree that goes with it, and potato lyonnaise.
Right, now that fillet, how did you want that prepared?
I would say medium rare.
Medium rare. Okay.
Yes.
Confident?
Yes, I am.
Is this what you expected?
I would say so, chef.
First glance at that plate can be served in a 4-star restaurant. But then upon tasting it, I missed a couple of things. I didn't get any seasoning at all in that beef. Lyonnaise potatoes also need a lot of seasoning. So I'm afraid for me it's a no.
The salad was nice and crisp and very natural. I think you've got a lot of potential.
Thank you, chef.
So I'm going to give you a yes.
Thank you.
Gershwin. For me, it's quite a safe dish. Steak, potatoes, watercress, classic combination. And if you're going to go down that fairly simple classic route, you have to get it all right. I think your execution of that simplicity was spot on. It's a yes from me. Come get an apron. Come on, dude.
Thank you, chef.
You've earned this one, man. Okay.